Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to withdraw Tether from Uphold to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know Tether is a stablecoin that's great for quick transfers without the volatility rollercoaster. Whether you're moving funds for trading, saving, or just getting more comfortable with wallets, this guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need an Uphold account with Tether in it, a Trust Wallet app installed on your phone, and the exact wallet address for Tether. Remember, crypto addresses are case sensitive, so double check that to avoid any mishaps. Oh, and always ensure your accounts are secure with two-factor authentication. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account on your computer or mobile app. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard and find your Tether balance. Click on it to open the withdrawal options. Now, select Withdraw or Send. It might vary slightly based on updates in 2025, but look for the option that lets you move assets out. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to paste your Trust Wallet address for Tether. In Trust Wallet, open the app, go to the Tether section, and tap on Receive to get your wallet address. Copy that and paste it into Uphold. Then, specify the amount you want to withdraw. Don't forget to leave a little buffer for network fees, which could be around 1 to 5% depending on blockchain congestion. Step 3. Review and confirm. Uphold will show you a summary of the transaction, including fees and the final amount. Take a moment to verify everything is correct, then hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transfer should process within a few minutes to an hour, thanks to Tether's fast blockchain. Once it's done, hop back into Trust Wallet and refresh your balance. You should see your Tether there. A quick tip. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. Also, keep an eye on gas fees if you're using Ethereum-based Tether. That's it for the steps. With crypto evolving, always check for the latest updates on official sites. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. See you in the next video.